procedure number 2, we are going to divide the whole area into trapezoid. So here, from this sketch, so this one, actually we are, this is the area that we are going to calculate. Okay, but in calculating this area, we have to consider the whole area. So this one is our whole area now. So here, okay, so that is our whole area. Okay, this one is our whole area. Okay, so this whole area, we are going to divide it into trapezoid. So I will show you how will we do it. So this one is trapezoid number 1. Okay, and this one is trapezoid number 2. Okay, so this one is now trapezoid number 2, trapezoid number 1. So if we are going to add trapezoid number 1 plus trapezoid number 2, that is now the total area. Okay, but that is not what we are looking for. We are looking for this one. Okay, we are looking for this. So to do that, we need trapezoid. Okay, let me remove. Okay, we need to have this one. We need to deduct trapezoid number 3. Okay, this one is our trapezoid number 3. Okay, and then we have trapezoid number 4. So this one is our trapezoid number 4. So trapezoid number 3, trapezoid number 4. So the total area minus trapezoid number 3 minus trapezoid number 4, we will have now this, the area of the lot. Okay, so to start with, we are going to calculate trapezoid number 1. Okay, so in the next video, we will be calculating the area of trapezoid 1, 2, 3, and 4.